Mr. Ikechukwu Okoye has been initiated into the Ozomkpu Society of Enugwu-Ukwu community. He adopted the name Ikechukwu Udenweze II for his title. Correspondent Chibuzo Bidike reports.
Title holders in Enugwu-Ukwu community are the highest title holders and decision-making body customarily in the community. They are also respected because they stand out in truth and exemplary lifestyle always. The event, which took place at the country home of the celebrants in Umatulu village in the Enugwu-Ukwu community, saw Ndi Ozomkpu title holders file in a procession into the compound of Mr. Okoye and were received with a peacock and tuber of yam as part of the tradition and rites of Ozomkpu society of the town. Before the commencement of the event, an infant was given a feather from the cock and some piece of yam to offer to the gods in announcing their arrival ahead of the induction. After the kolanut ritual, the procession of Mr. Okoye commenced with purification with the sacred nzu all over his body, which unbinds him from any evil spirits and carnal lifestyle, among others. It was then followed by the decoration of Mr. Okoye with Ozomkpu garments, beads, hand fan, red cap, nza, among others. Performing the initiation, the chairman of Ozomkpu Enugwu-Ukwu na Umunri, Chief Joseph Okonkwo, revealed that the position attained by Chief Okoye is supreme, as he cannot be bewitched by any unclean spirit or disrespected in the community by anyone or groups, and advised him to stay away from any unlawful practices and carry himself as a member of the prestigious Ozomkpu. Responding, Chief Okoye said that as London-based, he values his culture and tradition, and as such, he will continue to propagate it all the days of his life. He said that the new title will spur him to attract more development to his country. The wife of the celebrant, Mrs. Rose Okoye, expressed happiness over the induction of her husband and assured she will continue to assist her husband to keep the rules and regulations of the group, which are for his own respect and dignity of their household. A friend of the celebrant, Mr. Kanayo Akabike, expressed love for the choice of titled name, which he said signifies his success in all his dealings, and expressed optimism that he will attract more developmental projects to his community and the state at large. Dancing of Ufio music, exchange of greetings, and paying of homage to the newly inducted member of the Ozomkpu Enugwu-Ukwu na Umunri form the high points of the event. From Umatulu village in Enugwu-Ukwu, Chibuzo Bidike, ABS News.